What are a limited company's filing requirements? Several filing and reporting requirements are there for registered companies and partnerships that need to be maintained every year. It is essential to prepare annual returns and annual accounts for Companies House, to prepare company tax returns and statutory accounts for HMRC, and to pay corporation tax on all taxable profits. Companies are required to register for VAT, file VAT returns and pay VAT if their annual taxable income exceeds £85,000, 2018-19. Voluntary registration of VAT is also accessible. Pay registration will be required if the business has to pay salaries, including directors' salaries. Company directors must also submit self-assessment tax returns on the personal income they earn. Dormant, inactive, firms are not required to file full financial accounts or company tax returns, but they must inform HMRC that they are dormant. A confirmation statement, earlier called an annual return, and dormant accounts for Companies House will have to be prepared. All companies, whether active or dormant, should inform Companies House when there is a change in any of their registered information. Some changes should also be reported to HMRC. What company changes must be notified to Companies House and HMRC. The details you provide while registering a limited company are shown on the public record. Therefore, company directors are legally required to notify Companies House and HMRC immediately if any of these details change. Following are the most common changes you must report. Change in the company name. Change in registered office address. Changing or adding a sale address. Change in the location of statutory company records and registers. Adding or removing a company's director or secretary. Changing information of a director or secretary. Issuing new shares. Transferring shares. Altering the articles of association. Changing the SIC code of your company. Changing the accounting reference date, ORD. Reporting your company as dormant. Changing the company's trading status from dormant to active. Changing shareholders' details. Changing the accounting period for the corporation tax. Changes to the PSC register. The following changes must be notified to Company House within 14 days. Changes to address, including registered office and area of statutory records and registers. Addition or removal of directors or secretaries. Changes to the registered information of existing directors and secretaries. Record changes in the statutory documents and registrations of your business. Limited companies are required to maintain some statutory documents at their registered office address. Any changes to business information must update immediately in the appropriate record or register. It is crucial that these records are accurate and kept up to date, as HMRC and the public can inspect them at any time. Before we go to the next point, I would like to tell you that this video is sponsored by rtrsupportslimited.com. RTR Supports Limited can provide UK company and bank account in one day. Please visit rtrsupportslimited.com for more information. Who is legally liable for keeping the information of the business and reporting changes? Directors and secretaries are officially responsible for keeping statutory records and registers. Moreover, complete legal responsible way ultimately falls upon directors, regardless of whether tasks are entrusted to a secretary. Requirements for filing and reporting of a dormant company. Dormant firms inform HMRC if they are inactive by contacting their local corporate tax office in writing. Companies House must file annual confirmation statements at least once every 12 months. Dormant company accounts should be prepared and submitted to Companies House every year. Changes in registered information, including PSC, must be notified to Companies House and HMRC. Thanks for watching. Please share your reviews and ask if you have any questions regarding this video in the comment section below. And don't forget to share and subscribe to RTR Supports Limited YouTube channel.